Hello everybody. If you're using this oil for your Sea-doo PWC or Sea-doo jet boat, this is the XPS 5W40 full synthetic oil. It has a going price of about $69 for a gallon. You might want to consider this option. I am using the Motul 7100. It is 4 liters. Is slightly more than a gallon. Has a nice built-in spout here, and I typically pay just under $46 for this 4-liter bottle. Has the same specs, so you can see the XPS lubricant, JAMO M2, as is the Motul. Both fully synthetic. Both of these are quality oils. So if you want to save yourself a couple of bucks, I can highly recommend this product right here. If you found this video informative or helpful, please give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.